You are going to love the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. And is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, suspension control electronic. Come see the car for yourself.